Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your iPhone cannot be backed up. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to get backup of your device but you're facing the issue that your iPhone cannot be backed up, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, so just try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected your VPN, just go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, and here just tap on iCloud, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iCloud. If you might see that you haven't enough storage, so you can try to get more storage, or you can also try to free up storage from your iCloud or from your backup, or you can also try to turn off and turn on it again on your iCloud backup. Just tap on your iCloud here, and then tap on iCloud backup. You just have to disable this toggle, or if you have enabled, just try to disable this first and then re-enable it so it might refresh all our iCloud system. Just disable this, then have it turn off, and once it's done, just enable it again. So it will make a quick refresh with all of your iCloud backup system. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now, before you do that, very first I recommend just try to update the software. So go back, tap on your general section here, tap on software update, and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, simply go back and try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now, quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to sign out and then re-sign in your Apple ID. Now to do that, simply open your settings app here, just tap on your Apple ID, and here just try to tap on the sign out option, then tap on sign out but don't erase. Tap on continue, tap on continue again. Now here you have to enter your Apple ID password. Once you have entered your Apple ID password, just tap on confirm and sign out, and your Apple ID will be signed out from your iPhone. Once you have signed out, just try to re-sign in. Once you have re-signed in, your issue will be fixed, so you will not get the issue again. So after doing that, you have to go to setting, go to your Apple ID, tap on iCloud. You have to make sure that you have enough storage. Or if you have enough storage in your iCloud, you have to re-sign in your Apple ID, but you are still facing the same issue. So there's a single way. Single way, decide to contact with your Apple support team. So now to do that, just simply open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option. Here you can select iCloud. If you can't find, so you can also go back, tap on this update, backup and restore option, and here just tap on using iCloud, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.